How to get mildew smell out of clothes, detailed guide. Are you tired of sniffing your clothes only to be hit with a wave of musty mildew? Fear not, this video is just for you. We will show you how to get mildew smell out of clothes for good. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Step 1. Wash the clothes. Begin by filling your washing machine with hot water. Use the hottest water that is safe for the clothing. Washing your clothes in hot water can help eliminate the mildew smell. Hot water can kill the spores that are causing it. In addition, hot water can help break down any oils or dirt that may be trapping the mildew smell in the fabric. However, note that not all fabrics can withstand hot water. Some may shrink or become damaged if washed in water that's too hot. Always check the care label on your clothing before washing. Then, follow the instructions for the appropriate water temperature. Next, add a cup of white vinegar and a cup of baking soda to the water. White vinegar and baking soda are both natural deodorizers. Therefore, they can help neutralize and absorb the musty smell of mildew. After adding the deodorizers, place the affected clothing in the washing machine. Make sure it is fully submerged in the water. Finally, run the washing machine on the regular cycle. After the wash cycle is complete, remove the clothing from the washing machine and check for any remaining mildew smell. If the smell persists, do the next step. Step 2. Soak the clothes in a water and white vinegar solution. Fill a basin or tub with equal parts water and white vinegar. The amount of water and vinegar you'll need will depend on the following: the size of the clothing, the basin or tub you are using. Place the affected clothing in the basin or tub. Make sure it is fully submerged in the solution. Let the clothing soak for several hours or overnight. The vinegar will neutralize the mildew smell, while the soaking will allow the vinegar to penetrate the fibers of the clothing. This, in turn, will remove the smell more effectively. After soaking, remove the clothing from the vinegar solution. Wash it again in hot water as described in step 1 of this video. This will help remove any remaining mildew and smell. If the mildew smell is still present, try step 3. Step 3. Use a commercial mildew remover. These products are specifically designed to remove mildew and the smell from clothing and other household items. To use a commercial mildew remover, read the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Pay attention to any precautions or warnings. After using the mildew remover, wash the clothing again in hot water as described in step 1 of this video. Step 4. Dry the clothes outside in the sun. Hang the affected clothing on a clothesline or drying rack in a sunny spot outside. Allow the clothing to hang in the sun for several hours. Ensure that it is completely dried before bringing it inside. The UV rays from the sun will help to kill any remaining mildew, while the heat and airflow will help to remove the mildew smell. After drying the clothing in the sun, check for any remaining mildew smell. If the smell persists, you may need to repeat all the steps or consider consulting a professional laundry service. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.